Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to another donations video. And starting right up, we have a donation from my friend Remaster. He owns a company called SMIC, and if you need trophies, design work, outdoors, magazines, all kind of graphic works, this is the man for the job in Portugal. Check out the link in the description below. And he kindly sent me this lovely 17-inch PowerBook G5 in a super good condition. I was looking for one of these long time ago. So, once again, thank you, Rui. Moving on, the next donation is from Arnaldo Souza. I remember talked to him on Facebook a couple weeks ago and he offered to send me a couple of cool games. Let's open it up and see what we got. And we have the GTR Evolution for PC. We also have the Midtown Madness 3 for Xbox Original. I was looking for this game forever. And we also have the Burnout to Xbox Original too. So once again, thank you, Arnaldo. And the next donation is another massive one from my neighbors Ricardo and João Silva. Let's take it out of the bag and see what we got. And first we have a PlayStation Portable manual. We also have a full FIFA collection for PlayStation 4, 17, 18, 19, 20 and 21, very nice. We have also a couple games for PC. And then we have a massive collection of PlayStation 2 games with a couple interesting ones, super nice. And we also have PlayStation Portable, PlayStation Vita and Nintendo DS cases for the games they also donate me a couple months ago. And for the final, and of course the most exciting part of this donation, it is mint PlayStation 2 box with a hope. A PlayStation 2 inside. And right off the top we have two PlayStation 2 controllers in mint condition, and of course we have the PlayStation 2 itself also in super good condition. So once again, thank you Ricardo and João for this amazing donation. And this is it. Thank you all once again for these amazing donations. If you want to see cool videos and projects with this stuff, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.